The temperature is almost 5 degrees Celsius. Just reach Rankandi. Hello guys. We got stuck in traffic for 2 hours. My fog lamp. Mumbai. Vapi. Vadodara. Good evening from Ahmedabad. Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning from Ahmedabad. अभी टाइम हो रहा है 10:25 and the air is completely polluted over here. We are gonna take up stop around a biker's point. I think we'll take some accessories for the bike. Okay, so यहाँ से कच्छ almost 397 किलोमीटर्स तक है. यार ना हिंदी ट्रांसफर हो रहा था अंदर. Kutch is around 397 kilometers from here. So we are 40 kilometers away from Ahmedabad. We are staying in the Royal Palace Hotel. The people over here are really friendly. Last night we got checked in at around 12 in the night and they were really cooperative, and we slept at around 2, woke up at I think 9:30, and yeah, we had 6-lane highway until Ahmedabad and now it's just 4-lane. The roads are kinda good, kinda not, but I think we can manage. The room is really messed up right now, but yeah, the services over here is really good. The rooms are really good. It's really comfortable. So if you guys are planning to come over Gujarat, the place of this village is Telao. Okay, I'll just show you the room once we just clean it up. Okay, so Kaka and Pratik just left to Live Your Ride biker store. They went there to buy a cushion seat for their bikes, like for our bikes, and also that cruise control thing that they call. It's called the throttle grip or something. I'll show you once we get that. So I'm gonna head to packing and I'll just get ready for the ride. So I also wanna say that in the past 2 days we have rode over 1100 kilometers, so that's why I couldn't talk to the camera much. I couldn't do much of vlogging and stuff, and after the 400-kilometer ride we'll be staying in Rankandi for 2 days and we'll get to explore and do a lot of stuff there, and it's gonna be totally cool. It's gonna be totally fun. Yeah, in the past 2 days there were a few problems during the ride. We got stuck in traffic a lot and we couldn't ride like we planned to. Our whole body aches right now. We just took a tablet, a painkiller, and we just sprayed some Volini and stuff. It's not Volini, I don't know what it's called. So I'll just get ready and get back to you, and we'll see you guys outside this hotel. I'll show you an overview of how this hotel looks from the outside. From the inside it completely looks ruined right now. Yeah, we gotta clean this. Okay, so let's get changed or do a TikTok trend. I don't know. All good. Let's do the shoes now. Okay, nice. Oh, also I couldn't do anything about this thing, but I did have a mount up top here and I'm gonna use this for time while. Okay, so these both just got here back from the store and got me a tank pouch, this floaty kind of thing for the seat, the bungee cord to tie it, and also look at that. Now I can put the chin mount here. It's already late now and we have a journey of around 6 to 7 hours and we have to go as soon as possible. We have to hit the road, so when we take a break I'll put in the Y mount and start shooting. Thank you, Bhaiya. Okay, I have to mount this on my seat and put in the bungee ropes, tie this around the tank also, and the tank is actually really dirty right now. Okay, so it's kinda sunny out here right now and we have to hit the roads. Kaka and Pratik are still packing up their stuff and getting ready. I got ready a while ago. I have to tie this pretty quickly before they come. Yeah, so everything's packed up. We put the tank bag, tank bag, this seat, this cushion, we put a net bungee on it, and the cruise control. Yeah, let's see if this Pratik's engine guard nut, it just fell while he was riding, and yeah, we are waiting for him to fix it, and we'll head back to the road. It's almost 5:35 in the evening, and yeah, we are riding at good speed. We took a break after like 130 kilometers from Ahmedabad, and yeah, I couldn't shoot because the GoPro's card was actually corrupted
due to some reason, so now I'm
and I couldn't shoot it. It was refreshing, and but yeah, this is the hotel. This is how it looked. So we took a break over there, and we are here to fix his bike, and we'll get back to the road as soon as possible. Okay, so we are almost 170 kilometers away from Kutch. We changed the plan, and we were going to Bhuj, but now we are staying in Kutch, I think. Yeah, there's this resort called as Run Kandi, and yeah, we are taking a break over here. The traffic was really a headache. You could see by the previous clips, I think. So yeah, also one more thing is my top box carrier. It got bent. See over there, top box is supposed to be straight and not bent. So yeah, all of this happened. We are taking another break. So what I'm doing is take out all the stuff from my top box and put it in another bag, and gonna tie it here with a bungee so that this could be a little light. I'm not keeping anything in the top box for now because it's really bent and I don't want it to fall while I'm riding. So yeah, that's the update. So 170 kilometers away from Kutch, and yeah, that's about it for now. We'll be riding there. I still don't have my GoPro mounted on because yeah, you see this, after I turn on the GoPro, it still shows as SD card formatting. I don't know what's going on with my SD card. So yeah, that's about it. I'll catch up with you guys once I'm in Kutch. Okay, welcome to White Run, 79 kilometers away, and yeah, it's freezing out here, man. It's freezing. It's 14 degrees Celsius according to the temperature. Okay, at this point everybody's cold, everybody's totally cold. My hands are completely wicked right now because of all the traveling. But yeah, we are going to Kutch now because we have no other choice. We had two choices, either stay in Bhuj or go to Kutch, and we decided to go to Kutch. So yeah, we'll be heading to Kutch now, and it's almost around 70 kilometers from here. White Run is 79 kilometers, but Kutch is around 70 kilometers. But it's totally freezing. It's 11:30 in the night. It's freezing out here. Oh my god. I've always had a threshold to hold weather, and it wouldn't have affected me this much. Always used to say thandi hattangilla bhai nanaga, but now it's like thandi anno thindi ella hiladaithi. We are leaving now. I can't hold my phone anymore. It's freezing. My hands are shivering. Bye. Okay, the temperature is almost 5 degrees Celsius. Just reach Run Kandi. We are frozen. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't even know if the camera is working properly. We are now eating. So thank you for making me a part of your day. My name is Bhatta. Welcome to the family. Adios. Bye.
Bitches on my dick cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery. Thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie.